Take a look at this Cummins DQDAA QSL9 250 kilowatt Tier 3 diesel generator, available now at Power Generation Enterprises. This pre-owned generator is powered by the legendary Cummins QSL9-G7 diesel engine and delivers 250 kilowatts or 313 kilovolt amperes of standby power. It's configured for 480-volt, three-phase, 60 Hz operation at 1,800 revolutions per minute, making it an excellent choice for commercial buildings, industrial facilities, manufacturing plants, data centers, construction sites, and emergency backup applications. It is EPA Tier 3 emissions compliant. This generator comes as a complete package featuring a factory weatherproof, sound-attenuated enclosure to help reduce noise while protecting the equipment from the elements. It also includes an engine-driven radiator, PowerCommand digital control panel for easy monitoring and operation, an integrated base fuel tank, and a main circuit breaker, so it's ready for a fast and efficient installation. The Cummins QSL9 engine is known worldwide for its durability, fuel efficiency, and long service life. Whether you're protecting critical operations, supporting industrial applications, or providing reliable standby power for your facility, this generator is built to perform when you need it most. If you're looking for dependable power without the cost of buying new, this Cummins 250 kilowatt generator is an outstanding value and is ready to go to work. For pricing, availability, or to request a quote, contact Power Generation Enterprises today at 818-484-8550. At Power Generation Enterprises, we stock a large inventory of diesel and natural gas generators from leading manufacturers ready to ship nationwide. Give us a call today and let us help you find the right power solution for your next project.